How to use Zoom for better virtual meetings and webinars. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Zoom for better virtual meetings and webinars. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Always schedule your meetings in advance and include a clear agenda in the Zoom invitation. This sets expectations and helps everyone stay on track. Use screen sharing to present slides or documents, and try the annotation tools to highlight key points live. It keeps your audience engaged. Keep participants on mute when not speaking to avoid background noise. Spotlight key speakers so everyone knows where to focus during discussions or presentations. Record your meetings or webinars for those who missed them, and send follow-up emails with key takeaways, action points, or links. That's all for the video. Try these tips to make your Zoom meetings more productive and professional. If you like this video, then make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.